My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS 10 long years and I've been in private practice for 41. And I've been on the national news many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com and you can learn all about me. I'm an expert in IRS tax resolution. You know, working as a revenue officer, I used to send out these levy notices, the 668A and the 668W. I know them well. I've taught a couple classes at IRS for these notices of levy, so whatever I say is important to you because I don't practice at this. I am actually an expert working for IRS. So really quick, the 668A is a one-time levy. It's only good the day and the time that person receives the levy. So if I served you a levy on someone's bank account or for anything, it's a seizure at the time I gave it to you. An hour later, it's no good. So just so you know, so if IRS send a bank levy at 2 o'clock over to an institution at 2:10, if you made that a deposit there, they can't keep that money because that levy is only good that actually was stamped in for them. You have to know that. If IRS wants more money, they got to keep levying over and over. Generally, they only send one 668A. Remember, the Service Center does it out of their computer. A revenue officer will go ahead, spot a location, and then make that seizure. A levy is a seizure. The other type of levy is a 668W. That's that is a wage. That's a wage garnishment. The W stands for wage garnishment. The day that that person receives the 668W, from henceforward until that's released, your employer has to go ahead and send part of your paycheck to IRS. There's instructions inside that 668W as to the fact that you can get certain monies kept for yourself. There's a form in there that goes over what those instructions are. Generally, you're going to get about 20% of your income, and the rest goes. IRS doesn't want to levy. They don't want to do any of this. Is because you haven't called IRS back. So all IRS wants to do is a call back. All they're trying to do is close your case off the collection system. You want to close it, you call IRS, you set up a payment agreement, go into currently non-collectible, or maybe say, I'm going to file an offer, and that may shut the system down. If you don't owe a lot of money, pick up the phone and call IRS yourself. If you're making less than $4,000 a month, pick up the phone, call IRS yourself. You're not going to have a problem. If you have most serious debt, you probably want to call me. I can get your levy release. But the most important thing is not about the levy. It's about closing your case so IRS doesn't fry you for a large payment agreement. Thank you. Give me a subscription. Call me if you need me. Thank you much.